Hi everyone, this is Joanna. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a 5-minute get ready with me, like makeup very quickly before work. So I've prepped my face with the Super Facialist by Una Brennan Rose Hydrate Radiance Day Cream. It is radiant, I think. Well, you can't really see in this light, but yeah, I like it. It's very nice and smells very rosy, so that's what I like about it. And then I'm looking down here because I have all my preppy stuff, and then I'm going to use my Autograph Hydrating Confidence Boost Primer, which is a primer that is very, very watery and hydrating. I don't know if it makes my makeup last longer, but yeah, it feels nice on the skin. I don't know if I would repurchase it. Like in the beginning, I really liked the feeling of hydration, but I don't know if I would repurchase it. So let's move on to my foundation, which is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting. It's the foundation and concealer. It's 2-in-1, and I am the shade, I can't see, but I'm this shade. And let's start this. So what I do, I don't like the doe foot applicator. It takes me a long time to get the makeup on my face. Some people like this. I wouldn't really say I like it. So I just put streaks all over my face. And yeah. It lasts quite long. The thing that I don't like is that I can't really see when it finishes as well. So I don't know. One day I'll be like, oh no, there's none left. What am I going to do? So yeah, that's going to be bad. So and then I use my sponge. I don't know what this is. Maybe not a Real Techniques one for sure. But anyway, I started using sponges and I really like the way they feel and the way they apply the foundation. I used to use my fingers a lot, and but I stopped using my fingers to apply my makeup. And before I used my fingers, I used to use brushes. I used to use a stippling brush. Sometimes I still do, just to make sure that the foundation has gone in my skin. So hang on, let me have a look. I've got you on the mirror, so I'm gonna, yeah. So just always be careful that you put your foundation. I always forget to blend down under the chin. But yeah, so with this foundation, you don't really need a concealer. And you know what? I don't have time to do like 50,000 steps to get ready. So that's my foundation done. Now for powder, I use the Dior Forever and Ever Control. The shade is 001. And I have a Clinique fluffy brush. And I just pat the powder onto my face. Just 1 or 2 dabs. So yeah, I like this. It's translucent. You don't really feel it. It doesn't dry your face. You don't feel you're clogged up or anything like that. For contouring, I use the Chocolate Soleil Medium Deep Matte Bronzer. This is what it looks like. It smells like chocolate. So that's what the bronzer looks like. And I have a Lottie brush for contouring. And you start here. I just draw a little line. And on the other side. And then you just go. In. Okay, so I just blend it a little bit. And then I put a little bit here, a little bit here, not too much. I don't like my face being all bronzed up, and a bit under my, just a bit. It's too early in the morning to go full on contouring. For blush, I use this Kiko one, which is like a pinky reddy color. It's 04. It's Metal Fusion. I like it because it's glowy, and I like a glowy blush for the summer. A little bit goes a long way. Smile, and then just a little bit here. Okay, so I've contoured and I applied some blush, and then I use this brush just to blend out everything and mix them up a little bit so it doesn't look weird. I put a bit of highlighter. I have the Becca in Opal, so I use this gigantic brush. I put a little bit on my cheek, and there it is. A little bit on the side. For eyes, I use my Fuller Fudge, which is a Chubby stick pencil, and because I can't see well, I just use a little pencil and draw on my eyelids. Oh, my foundation is not that amazing there. Okay, so I've applied the Chubby stick onto my eyes. And then for mascara, I got this in the Marks & Spencer Advent Calendar. It's the Diego de la Palma mascara. Look at this brush. It's like ginormous. I'm wearing it. I'm gonna apply this on my mirror because I'm gonna get it everywhere, because this is like a huge thick brush and I don't want to mess everything up. So I applied the mascara and I'm wearing Clinique Poppy on my lips, and that's it, ready to go. I need to do my hair and get ready for work, so I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.